Hi friends, welcome to another video on the social responsibility of management. So what is the meaning of the term social responsibility of management? Social responsibility of management is defined as the obligation of management towards the society and other concerned. If the management of the business does not react to the changes in social demands, the society will not permit the management to survive. Therefore, the long-term interest of the business is best served if the management makes sure to meet the social responsibility. Besides taking care of the financial interest of its shareholders or owners of the business, the management of the business should also take into account of the interest of other stakeholders of the business, such as employees, government, suppliers, consumers, etc. So the social responsibility of management to different segments of the society are going to be discussed in this video in detail. Please watch it. The first one, responsibility of management towards the shareholders or owners. The shareholders are the owners of the business who have invested capital to the organization. The major purpose of investing such funds is to make reasonable profits. Therefore, the management has the following responsibility towards the shareholders or owners: to protect the interest of shareholders or owners, to make effective use of resources provided by them, to give them a fair return on their investment, to inform them about the functioning of the concern, to distribute the dividend regularly, to ensure solvency of the firm, to send the financial statement of the company to the shareholders. Second one is responsibility of management towards employees or workers. The employees or workers constitute one of the most important elements in an enterprise. They are putting their time, effort, and energy in the organization for its development and growth. So the workers have genuine interest in the organization. The following are the responsibility of the management towards employees: to give reasonable wages to the workers, to satisfy their maximum needs, to promote cooperation between employers and employees, to recognize the genuine trade union rights of the workers, to create a sense of belongingness among them, to motivate the workers, to provide job security to employees, to encourage participation of workers in management, to provide better service conditions, to improve their living conditions, to protect them from any hazards from their work, to provide training facilities to the workers, to promote their talents and skills, to guide and direct them so as to achieve the goals of the organization. The third point is responsibility of management towards customers. It is the responsibility of the management to safeguard the interest of the customers by creating a good image of the product. The responsibility of management towards the customers are as follows: to give a fair deal to the customers, to give better quality product, to charge the reasonable price for the goods, to supply goods and services of standard quality. To distribute the goods in the manner required by the customers, to avoid the practice of profiteering or hoarding, to keep away with the practice of creating artificial scarcity, to avoid exaggerated advertisement, to avoid false statements which mislead the customers, to provide after sales services to the customers, to establish frequent and fair contact with the customers. The fourth point is the responsibility of management towards creditors and others. The business is responsible for protecting the interest of creditors, suppliers, and other similar groups. The major responsibility of management to these groups are as follows: to establish healthy relationship between the creditors and the firm, to safeguard their interest, to provide accurate and relevant information to them, to make prompt payment to the creditors. The fifth point is responsibility of management towards the government. Government is the supreme body and it exists to protect the life and property and promote the interest of the citizens. It also provides certain facilities to every business enterprise for the smooth operation. Hence, the management has certain responsibilities towards the government as mentioned below. To abide by its laws and regulations, to pay taxes to the government fully and honestly, to promote the democratic process of the nation, to avoid the practice of corrupting public servants, to follow fair trade practices, to avoid monopolistic practices, to keep away from restrictive trade practices, to avoid political favors by any means, to manage the organization for the benefit of the nation. And the sixth point is responsibility of management towards the society. A business organization cannot run smoothly for a very long time without the concern of the society. Therefore, the responsibility of management towards the society are as follows: to promote general amenities, to create better living conditions in general, to promote and protect the interest of the public, to give due respect to public opinion, to avoid wasteful expenditure, to carry on the business to the expectation of the society honestly, to prevent or minimize pollution of air and water, to adopt scientific methods and techniques in the conduct of business. The management should carry out its duties and responsibilities most faithfully and fruitfully to all the sections of the society. Therefore, profit through service shall be the slogan of today's management. Thank you.